My name is William Rafferty, and I am from the ABCIS International School, one of the Clovis and Fabergé schools in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. I am going to be showing you today how to create a vacuum. So as you can see, I filled all three of these plates with 1 cup of water. I'm going to add some food colouring to each of them to give more visual effect. Okay, now I'm going to light these candles. When I place these cups over the candles will use up the oxygen, creating a vacuum. The vacuum will then be replaced by the liquid. As you can see. Thank you for watching this experiment.